Dear students, today we shall learn how to change the sentences of present continuous into passive. Here you look at the green board. The sentence is written, Mohit is singing a song. This is singing tells us that the sentence is in present continuous tense. As ing is added there or the present participle form of the verb is used, we are to convert or change such sentences into passive voice, and we have to add being with the helping verb is, am or are. So look here, a song is being sung by Mohit. The process is the same, subject into object and object into subject. A song is the object there and we have placed it at the place of subject. A song is helping verb is or am or are to be used. The song is in singular and therefore each has been used there. Plus being, and then third form of the verb, then by and the new object. So note down in your notebook the rule for change the affirmative sentences of present continuous into passive. First of all, subject plus is or am or are plus being plus third form of the verb, then by plus object. Okay, now let's see the negative sentence. Radha is not cleaning the room. The room, as it is usual, we are to use the object into subject. The room is not, and we are to use not just after the helping verb is, am or are. Is not being cleaned by Radha. So you are to note down the rule, subject plus is or am or are according to the number and person of the subject, and just then not after the helping verb. Then being plus third form of the verb plus by and then the object. Now interrogative A. Are Mohan and Sohan playing chess? The sentence will become into passive with the helping verb, as chess is singular third person and therefore the passive sentence is to be begun with the helping verb is. Is chess being played by Mohan and Sohan? Now you are to understand, in the active sentence, the sentence begins with the verb are, because Mohan and Sohan is the plural subject, and that's why the plural verb is to be used. But here chess is the singular subject, that's why we have used helping verb is. So understand and note down the rule. Helping verb is or am or are plus subject plus being plus third form of the verb plus by and then object. Okay? Now come to interrogative B. Why are you teasing the monkeys? The sentence is to be started with the same question word, why. Why are the monkeys being teased by you? So question word plus helping verb each, am or are plus the subject, then being, then third form of the verb, then by and the object. Okay? Another sentence is also there, as I have told you earlier, that who is changed into by whom. So look here, who is making a noise? Who changes into by whom? By whom is a noise being made. And by has been placed in the beginning, and therefore there is no requirement to repeat it, and that's why by whom is a noise being made. Okay? I think you have understood how to change the sentences of present continuous, and you can change the sentences of past continuous also on the basis of same rule. Only one thing is different, and that is the helping verb. At the place of is, am, are, you are to use was, were. Now let's see some sentences of past continuous. Affirmative. Radha was writing a book. Here, it has been replaced by was, and that's why this sentence indicates that it is in past continuous. So you should keep in your mind, all the rules are the same, only the helping verb is different. So at the place of is, am, are, we are to use was verb. Here, look at the green board. Radha was writing a letter. Suppose this sentence is Radha is writing a letter. Then you are to use the helping verb is, and here it is was. Then you are to use was as a book was being written by Radha. Okay? I think you have understood how to change the sentences of present continuous as well as past continuous. And you have to note down that future continuous is not changed into past. Okay? Note it down in your notebook that future continuous tense is not changed into passive voice. So, now you are to note down some sentences for your practice from present continuous and past continuous. Sentence number 1 for practice. Harish is drawing a picture of Gandhiji. Okay? Next. They are making a noise. Next. I am not teasing the monkeys. Next. Was Mr. Gupta telling a lie? Next. Why were you beating that child? Okay, I think you can change these sentences into passive voice on the basis of your study and the rules given to you. Okay, thank you.